Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about subscapular spaces. The scapulohumeral muscles give passage to nerves and vessels through intermuscular spaces in the scapular region. The scapulohumeral muscles gives passage to nerves and vessels through its intermuscular spaces in the scapular region. All subscapular intermuscular spaces are covered posteriorly by deltoid. They are covered posteriorly by deltoid. There are three intermuscular spaces: quadrangular space, upper triangular space, lower triangular space. Quadrangular space, upper triangular space, lower triangular space. Don't get confused between teres minor and teres major. Some write teres major above and teres minor below. Don't do that. Both the teres minor and teres major arises from dorsal aspect of lateral border of the scapula. Scapula has lateral border. These muscles arises from dorsal aspect of the lateral border of the scapula. Teres minor arises from upper part of the dorsal aspect of the lateral border of the scapula and it gets inserted onto greater tubercle of the humerus. Teres major arises from lower part of dorsal aspect of lateral border of the scapula and it gets inserted onto medial lip of bicipital groove. Teres minor lies above. Teres major lies below. The long head of triceps arises from infragluteal tubercle of the scapula. Quadrangular space. Boundaries. Superiorly, subscapularis anteriorly, capsule of shoulder joint, teres minor posteriorly. Inferiorly, teres major. Medially, long head of triceps. Laterally, surgical neck of humerus. This is the quadrangular space. This is lateral side. This is medial side. Laterally, there is surgical neck of the humerus. Medially, there is long head of triceps. Inferiorly, there is teres major. Superiorly, subscapularis anteriorly, capsule of shoulder joint, and teres minor posteriorly. Contents of quadrangular space, axillary nerve, posterior circumflex humeral vessels. You can see this is the quadrangular space. Through quadrangular space, axillary nerve passes and posterior circumflex humeral vessels. Trick to remember subscapular spaces. Place the index and middle fingers of the left hand in this manner. Pass the index and middle fingers of the right hand between these two fingers. You can see here there are two triangular areas, upper triangular area, lower triangular area and a quadrangular area. This is teres minor, teres major, long head of triceps, humerus. Boundaries of quadrangular area are inferiorly teres major, medially long head of triceps, laterally surgical neck of the humerus, superiorly teres minor. In addition to teres minor, superior boundary is also found by subscapularis and capsule of shoulder joint. Upper triangular space boundaries. This is the upper triangular space. Superiorly you can see teres minor, inferiorly teres major, laterally long head of triceps. Contains circumflex scapular artery. The content of upper triangular space, circumflex scapular artery. Circumflex scapular artery is a branch of subscapular artery which arises from third part of axillary artery. The boundaries of upper triangular area are superiorly teres minor, inferiorly teres major, laterally long head of triceps. Lower triangular space boundaries. This is the lower triangular space. Laterally shaft of humerus, medially long head of triceps, superiorly teres major. Contains radial nerve, profunda brachii vessels. Contents of lower triangular space, radial nerve, profunda brachii artery. The boundaries of lower triangular area are superiorly teres major, medially long head of triceps, laterally shaft of humerus. Let's revise the boundaries and contents. Quadrangular space boundaries, medially surgical neck of humerus, laterally long head of triceps, superiorly subscapularis, anteriorly capsule of shoulder joint and teres minor posteriorly, inferiorly teres major. Upper triangular space boundaries, superiorly teres minor, inferiorly teres major, laterally long head of triceps. Lower triangular space boundaries, medially shaft of humerus, laterally long head of triceps, superiorly teres major. Contents of quadrangular space, axillary nerve, posterior circumflex humeral artery. Content of upper triangular space, circumflex scapular artery. Content of lower triangular space, radial nerve and profunda brachii artery.